Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm reviewing one of the most exciting flying cameras to hit the market, the HOVERAir X1 Pro and the Pro Max. These aren't just drones, they're pocket-sized self-flying cameras designed to capture stunning cinematic footage without a controller, a complicated setup, or FAA registration in the US. HOVERAir was created to solve a problem, enjoying the moment while still capturing it beautifully. No more setting up tripods, no more asking strangers to help take your photo, and no need to learn complicated drone controls. The X1 series makes aerial videography effortless. And the Pro and Pro Max models take it even further with professional grade imaging and performance. The Pro Max is the world's first 8K flying camera under $1,000. It features a 1 to 1/3 CMOS sensor, 14 stops of dynamic range, and a 107-degree field of view, delivering clarity and color depth that feels cinematic. The Pro version captures 4K at 60 frames a second and 1080p at 120 frames a second. Perfect for smooth, slow motion, and high action shots. With a 2-axis gimbal, EIS, and horizon leveling, your shots stay smooth and steady, even in very challenging conditions. The Omni Terrain feature lets you fly over snow, water, and rough landscapes. Advanced AI keeps up with you at speeds up to 26 miles an hour, with bursts up to 37 miles an hour for those intense action moments. Weighing just 6.8 ounces, 192 grams, it's ultra compact and ready to go. Fold it, slip it in your pocket, and launch it in seconds. One-touch flight modes like dolly track, cycling mode,
ski mode,
indoor follow,
cycling mode, indoor follow,
make cinematic shots effortless.
hover, zoom out, follow, orbit, spiral, bird eye, dolly track.
The power case adds 40 extra minutes of flight time and works as a 12,000 mAh power bank for your phone. ND filters, mounts, and carrying cases. It gives you everything you need for travel, sports, and professional shoots. The X1 series is for creators, travelers, athletes, and anyone who wants cinematic footage without the hassle of flying a traditional drone. Whether it's for vlogging, sports highlights, or family adventures, this drone is built for action and creativity. So, is the HOVERAir X1 Pro or Pro Max worth it? Absolutely. With 8K imaging, AI flight modes, and a pocket-sized design, it's the perfect combination of performance and portability. To see what this drone can really do, check out the sample footage in the video. And I'll link the official page in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, so I had this thing for over a month now, and I absolutely love it. It is very user-friendly. It's so easy to fly, so easy to travel with, so easy to charge. To turn it on, simply hold it down, turn on the controller, and it syncs automatically. You can also use your iPhone or any phone screen, Android, and it comes with both the cables to hook it up with. Simply connect that into the controller and plug this into your phone. And then it uses your phone screen as a bigger screen. It's really, really neat. So you can see a lot more when you're flying the drone. But for now, I just use the screen that it comes with. It's really very easy to use. Simply, you could record by pressing record. All the settings are also in the app. You can change from 4K to 8K, all the different video modes. It's really very awesome. I absolutely love it. And it's durable. The dolly track feature is amazing. I mean, you could go up to speeds 37 miles an hour and it will still track you. It is very, very smart. It's very hard to hide from. I tried. It's durable, lightweight. I did crash it, I would say 3 or 4 times, and it's super durable. It's made of high quality plastic, very, very high quality. Um, the camera is, you could change from 4K to 8K, which is amazing video quality. And as soon as you turn it on, you can see it starts tracking you. It has many different modes. Follow, orbit, spiral, bird's eye, dolly track, ski mode, cycling mode, indoor follow, 360 spin, hover, zoom out. So many. The batteries to simply charge, you can just turn it off. The batteries simply pop out. It comes with the nice charging box. Comes with 2 batteries as well, which is fantastic. It's great for on the go when you don't have a lot of time to charge the batteries. It comes with an extra one, which is fantastic. It comes with everything you need, as well as if you want to take the controller off, it just folds apart. And these come out as well. So then you could just have the beacon. You could just carry the beacon with you. And this is for dolly track, and for it to track you, it tracks you by the beacon. So if you want to clip the beacon onto your pants or shirt, you could just simply click on your shirt. And when you're cycling or doing high-speed workouts, you don't have to hold anything. It's fantastic. It also comes with their own charging block, which is very nice. Their logo on it. 65 watts for fast charging. So I'll charge it. Simply take out the charged battery and pop it back in. Turn it back on. And just like that, you're ready to fly again. It's very neat.
Current mode, dolly track.
I would highly recommend it.